Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change payment method in Binance. So first, to be able to do that, you have to open your Binance app on your phone. Then once it is open, then you tap at the Binance app logo at the top. Then from there you tap on the gear button, which is the settings icon. Then from there you scroll down a little, then you tap on payment method. Okay, good. Then for you to be able to change your payment method, you have to access the the added payment method option. So you tap on the payment method. You can see currently right here, this is the previous payment method that was added by me. So if I want to change it, I can simply tap on this. Then delete it. So after that, then I can simply come here and add a new method, and that is how to change payment method. And if you want to keep the two, you can simply keep the two, you understand. But if you don't want to keep two payment methods, you can simply remove this one, then add another new one, and that is how to change payment method in Binance. If I find the video helpful, then I can follow for more. Thank you.